Hello everyone! In this short video, we'll be taking a look at Emerald's new BI-GanttView, which is a Gantt chart visual for Power BI, and how you can utilize color coding using a legend. So what you're looking at right now is an example of a Gantt chart made using the BI-GanttView. And as you can see, each of our taskbars here are colored emerald green. So to create a legend, you're going to want to make sure that you're in the Build Visual tab here, and then you're going to scroll on down to this legend data field. Next, you're going to want to pull in information from data into your legend data field. So for example, I'm going to open up our task information, and I can pull in, for example, my work type information. So now you can see that once I've pulled that in, a legend is created based on the work type, and it is actually coloring my tasks according to their work type as well. So now that I've moved in some information into the legend data field, when I move on over into the Format Visual tab, you'll see there's now a legend category. So here is where I can adjust how my legend looks. So I can change the position, for example, if I want it along the bottom rather than the right of the screen. I can change the name and the color and size of the font. And then, of course, I can also change the coloring of my tasks. So, for example, I can change this guy to yellow. Let's say I want engineering review to be orange. And I can change my engineering release, let's say, to a dark blue. My fabrication equipment is also yellow, so I'm going to want to change that one so I can tell it apart from my engineering design. And I can go along in the same way and change the coloring of my tasks according to their work type, however I would like them to look. Thank you for watching our little video, and feel free to check out our tool on Microsoft App Source, also known as Microsoft Marketplace, or contact us using any of the methods below. Have a great day!